Today we're going to use our Ninja 4-in-1 cooking system to cook taco-inspired baked ziti. This recipe comes in the cookbook with your Ninja cooker. The Ninja cooker is perfect for busy moms on the go. It's a slow cooker, stovetop, oven, and steamer in one. So we've already started by putting about 1 tablespoon of canola oil into the pan. Now we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. That's going to get started cooking. So now that the ground beef is cooked all the way through, we're going to add 1 packet of taco seasoning mix and cook for another couple minutes. Now we're going to make sure that our Ninja 4-in-1 is on the oven setting at 350. And we're going to add 2 cans of Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sofrito sauce. Sofrito sauce is a tomato cooking base.
2 cups of
2
that.
cups. And we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice.
Gotta really squeeze it in there.
And we're just going to eyeball that one. That's about 2 tablespoons. And then finally, we're going to pour in our baked ziti. This is a 16-ounce box. The recipe only calls for 8 ounces, so we're going to put in about half the box. There. And mix it all together. And then we're going to cover and let it bake for about 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes we're gonna let it bake. And yeah.
So our taco ziti bake has baked in the Ninja 4-in-1 for about 15 minutes. The noodles are soft and the sauce and the beef smells delicious. Your last step is going to be to turn your Ninja off and then garnish with a little bit of Mexican 4-cheese blend. Cover. As soon as that cheese is melted, it's ready to serve. You can garnish with a little bit of cilantro for extra flavor.
We're signing off here. I hope you enjoyed the bake, what's it called? The taco ziti bake. See you guys next time. Bye.